Just follow these 3 steps on how to do dusting.
Okay, LJ, now we're gonna show them how to do dusting.
Step 1. Remove things on top of the table or shelves. Step 2. Swipe the duster. Swipe it to the left. Swipe it to the right. And swipe it all around. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to clean the next surface. Step 3. Return back all things to their proper location.
What is that?
Dusting.
Say duster.
Duster.
Yeah, what is that green thing?
Duster.
Duster. Here we go. First, you're gonna take off all the stuff.
No.
Then we're gonna put it back.
No.
We have to dust it. See, it's look, it's dusty. We're gonna put it back. First, you have to take it off. Come on, Mommy will help you put them back.